बात होगी दोबारा से फुटबॉल की। जिस तरह मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि पाकिस्तान की तारीख में पहली बार ऐसा होने जा रहा है कि लियारी के कुछ फुटबॉलर्स और एक कोच जा रहे हैं इंग्लैंड ट्रेनिंग के लिए। क्रेडिट जाता है हमारे कमिश्नर कराची इकबाल मेमन साहब को। साथ साथ उनकी बदौलत इन सारे खिलाड़ियों को 2 साल से इंग्लिश सिखाई जा रही थी, तैयार किया जा रहा था ताकि उनको लैंग्वेज बैरियर का सामना ना हो। अब उनकी वीजास के लिए अप्लाई कर दिया गया है और हमारे लियारी के खिलाड़ी अब जाएंगे इंग्लैंड और इंटरनेशनल ट्रेनिंग हासिल करेंगे। ये खबर मैंने आपको इसलिए बताई क्योंकि एक और ऐसे स्टार फुटबॉल ट्रेनर हैं फ्रॉम यूएई, अली अल-जिशी, जो इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है। उनका भी कुछ ऐसा ही प्लान है। अली, thank you so very much. Welcome to Dunya. Bol hai. It's an honor and pleasure to have you on the show. Why did you think of Pakistan? Why Pakistan? Because I'm sure Pakistan doesn't stand anywhere in the world rankings of football, but you still chose Pakistan to come here and promote the talent over here. How did you find out about the talent available in Pakistan?
Yes, good morning from sunny Dubai. Thank you for having me on the show. Look, Pakistan is obviously not on the football radar at the moment. But being in Dubai, we have a very strong Pakistani community. We get approached a lot by Pakistan. And we know Pakistan delivers something that's very much needed in world football, known as technical football player, or for a better term, a street footballer. The Lyari boys, we hear about a lot in Dubai and on social media. And this is something very much needed in world football, the technical street footballer. So this is why we're coming to Pakistan, and we are very excited to be there.
What should the footballers in Pakistan, the kids of Lyari, the most talented people in the world, I would say, expect from you? Why are you coming here? How many kids do you look for? Where will you take them? How will you train them? Can you give us a small brief about your plan?
Of course, yeah. So we are a professional football club in Dubai, known as the EPC, which stands for the Elite Performance Center. We have players in Dubai from across the world, from Argentina, from Colombia, from England, from Holland. We're coming to Pakistan to pick up talented football players. We will scout these players. The best of the players will be signed with us on a professional contract.
How many?
We bring them to Dubai. I mean, look, it depends how much we find. You know, everywhere we've gone in the world, we will find 1 or 2 players. From South Africa, we were in South Africa last year. We took 2 or 3 players here. So the scope is, you know, we are in football, we are greedy. If we find 6, 7 great players, we're going to take them. But generally, we'll be picking up talented football players and giving them the chance to develop as a professional football player. And hopefully producing national team players for you guys as well.
Inshallah. I think that's some great news I'm getting this morning, and I hope you achieve what you want. Who should be excited? How should they contact you? Where will you be checking them out? This information is very important for all the players who are watching this video right now and watching us live on Bowl Network, because we are one of the leading Pakistan's news network. Where should they find you? How should they approach you? Where will you be staying or doing all the trials?
Yeah, we're in Karachi on the 9th of March. We have 3 slots, maximum with players. And we will be in PKT Stadium, the PKT Stadium, which I understand is in central Karachi. We have a slot at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 1 in the afternoon. We already sold out one of the slots, so yeah, you can find us online.
So whoever wants to apply for this slot, they have to pay up, Ali?
Yeah, it's a registration fee.
What is the registration fee?
Spots. I understand it's 12,500 rupees.
Okay.
Yes.
But Ali, I'm confused over here for a second, because there are a lot of players in Pakistan, because this Lyari community we're talking about is super talented. It has so much potential to be tapped, untapped potential, which we need to show to the world. These kids are not very rich, Ali. I would request you to do a camp for Lyari especially, the kids of Lyari especially, who cannot afford the registration fees.
Yeah, we're talking to some good contacts of ours in Karachi, which we may come and deliver a free session just for these guys. But for this professional contract, you know, we have limited spots and we have to only sell what we can sell, as you can imagine. The player that comes with us will earn a professional contract worth a lot of money.
How much money do they earn? And the next question would be, everyone would be thinking, how much money could we earn?
Approximately about $10,000 a year if you earn a professional contract.
Amazing. And I personally think, considering the dollar situation in Pakistan, $10,000 would make a lot of rupees these days. So people would be really happy to hear that amount. So you're expected on 9th of March.
And also to don't forget to bring into this beautiful city of Dubai. Dubai has now become a platform to launch players into Europe, and this is what we're doing here. So this is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
How many players have you launched before, Ali?
Well,
How many players, how many stars have you launched before?
we just signed one yesterday, funny enough. One of our Greek defenders signed for a club in Iceland. So if you go on our social media, you'll see. So we've launched, you've seen, we're showing pictures there of players in Zimbabwe. We do this quite regular.
And are you planning to market your trip? Because I know of a lot of places where a lot of football talent is gathers and practices every day, like Karachi United, Zamzama United. A lot of groups and clubs in Pakistan are active. Do they all know about you? Because I'm sure they would love to know about you and plan for it.
Yeah, I mean, look, like I said, we've got limited spots. We're also going to Islamabad and Lahore. Islamabad is nearly sold out. So we're very active on social media, and we've done a couple of press releases. So I hope they've heard of us. If not, this is why we're on your great channel. And especially for Karachi. Karachi excites us a lot.
Ali Al-Jishi, all our prayers are with you. We hope you find the talent you're looking for in Pakistan, and I'm sure you will, because we're super talented in Pakistan. All we need is a platform, an opportunity, which you're providing. Thank you so very much for being on our show, and all the best to you, Ali.
Thank you for having us. And I look
उम्मीद
forward to
करते हैं कि ये जो इस वक्त काविश हो रही है, इससे पाकिस्तानी फुटबॉलर्स को मौका मिलेगा. इनको ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिल रहा है जिससे साल के $10,000 कमा रहे हैं. पाकिस्तान को डॉलर्स की बड़ी ज़रूरत है. इसलिए प्लीज़ जितना भी पाकिस्तान में इस वक्त फुटबॉल का टैलेंट है और चाहता है कि उसे दुनिया में मौका मिले, तो ज़रूर इन ट्रायल से पहुंचिए. 9 मार्च को अली आ रहे हैं पाकिस्तान. कराची, लाहौर, इस्लामाबाद सब शहरों में जाएंगे और ट्रायल्स करेंगे और टैलेंट हंट करेंगे. यकीनन पाकिस्तान में टैलेंट बहुत है. अब उन्हें मौका भी मिल रहा है. मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है.
बोल उड़ाएगा सबका होश, भूल जाएंगे सब अपना जोश. बहुत जल्द आ रहा है PSL स्पेशल ट्रांसमिशन, सिर्फ बोल न्यूज पर.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.